Alright, so this is where we're at. We're at the first stages of building the sound system here. This will be a pretty simple system. We're going to have the tweeter areas there, and the factory door speaker area will be set up with some Audiofrog 6x9s, and we're going to go with one of the double din head units I've got stored up. And all the wiring, of course, will have to be done by hand because there are no harnesses made for this truck, apparently. So I'm just going to show you where we're going to do the amplifiers. There'll be one right here. That'll be the sub amp, and then over there will be the DSP amplifier for the rest of the channels. I think what we'll do is run factory rear speakers. They look pretty decent. You know, I really don't do much with rear speakers since they're just rear fill, but might upgrade those later on. We'll just have to see. But there's no rear speakers on these types of trucks, so it's no rear door speakers rather. So that's what I've got. I will show one more thing. I'm just gonna walk over here to the power wire area. This is an easy one. It's one of the first vehicles that just kind of went so easy. Anyway, right through the grommet, we'll be sealing that up, and then standard 1/0 gauge welding cable there, tech flexed in blue. So this will be running with a relay and then straight to the battery in a short little loop here. This is fine. This is probably actually need to go in just a little bit. Anyway, pretty easy there on that. And then just to wrap that up, here's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, and it's just simple. Let me get my hand in it. Yeah. Okay. Just trying to get my camera to show where the hell there it is. So I'll seal that up, and that's the power wire run, and then we're going to run that probably either down here or possibly in here to run, and then the power wire is going to exit here to a distribution block, and that should be all it needs. All right, and then we're just going to use the factory subwoofer, which I'm going to go ahead and walk over to. All right, got all the parts in here. The factory subwoofer, it has a little panel here for access. We'll pull that, solder up some cables, and use this factory sub on much more wattage than it needs to bottom out. What we'll do is we'll just use that for now until I can figure out a way to replace this with some sort of custom enclosure that accentuates the lines that I'm going for here, which is kind of a rugged style. Probably use aluminum or something, but this will work for now. So that's the plan, and hopefully I can stick to it.